Hey, this is Brian B. Welcome to the Popular Party Dance Moves program. A couple things I want to mention before we get started with this course. This course is going to ask you to go a little bit outside of your comfort zone because the whole purpose of this program is for you to stand out, catch some attention without being the laughing stock of the group. It's also going to help you demonstrate your fun, awesome personality without making a fool out of yourself. Another quick note, if you've taken some of my other programs, then you may notice a little bit of overlap. But don't worry, within this context, the dance moves are going to be taught differently, and also when you combine these dance moves with the other dance moves taught in this program, it's going to mean something completely different. Lastly, just like anything else, when you first get started with some of these dance moves, it is going to be challenging, but it's okay. That is how it's supposed to be. Now, what I want you to do is when you're learning these dance moves, try your best to have fun, because that's what dancing is supposed to be about. Alright, and that is pretty much all. Let's jump in and get started with the program.